Exercise 6.3, the first sum. A vector, B vector, C vector are three given vectors. Find subdivision A vector cross B vector cross C vector. Second subdivision A vector cross B vector cross C vector. Solution for first subdivision. To find A vector cross B vector cross C vector, we know the formula. A vector cross B vector is equal to determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. The same procedure we can use here also. First I am going to choose A vector cross B vector alone. A vector cross B vector is equal to determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. For A vector, coefficient of, we need to choose only the coefficient. I cap coefficient is 1, J cap coefficient is -2, K cap coefficient is 3. Next B vector, 2, 1, -2, 2, 1, -2. So this is nothing but plus minus plus I cap, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 into 3 is 3. Next minus J cap, 1 into -2, always minus, 2 3s are 6. Next plus K cap, 1 into 1 is 1, always minus, 2 into -2, -4, which becomes +4. So 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1 I cap minus J cap. I will put it like this. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 into I cap is I cap, minus 8, which becomes +8, plus 8 J cap, plus 5 K cap. This is nothing but A vector cross B vector, A vector cross B vector. Next I need to find the both. A vector cross B vector cross C vector. This is, we can choose one vector, this we can choose one vector. If these both vectors, the cross is present, we can put determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. A vector cross B vector. What is A vector cross B vector? Coefficient 1, 8, 5. Next for C vector, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So I cap, open the bracket, 8 into 1 is 8, minus 2 5s are 10, minus 10. Next minus J cap, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 5 3s are 15. Next plus K cap, 1 into 2 is 2, 8 3s are 24. So what is the answer? This is -2 I cap. This is -14, minus into minus, plus 14 J cap. This is -22 K cap. So this is our required answer. This sum can be done in another method also. What is another method? Method 2. What they asking? A vector cross B vector cross C vector. A vector cross B vector cross C vector. Now only we see the formula, vector triple product. This will, for C vector is outside, which is the farthest one, A vector. So C vector dot A vector into B vector, C vector dot A vector into B vector, minus C vector dot B vector into A vector. So C dot A, I need to choose C dot A. So first I will write what is A vector, B vector, C vector here. Otherwise I will write here, this very nearest one to write. So I will write here. Okay, A vector is nothing but I cap minus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap. B vector is equal to 2 I cap plus J cap minus 2 K cap. C vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 J cap plus K cap. So first C dot A, here 3, here 1. Coefficient is 1, no. 3 into 1 is 3. Next here plus, here minus, plus into minus, minus. 2 2s are 4. Next here 1, here 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Next B vector, we write B vector afterwards, minus C dot B, here 3 2. 3 2s are 6. Next 2 into 1 is 2. Here 1 into -2 is -2. Next A vector. So here 3 plus 3, 6, 6 minus 4, 2. Then what is B vector? We need to write B vector. What is B vector? 2 I cap plus J cap minus 2 K cap, minus plus 2 minus 2 cancel. There will be only 6. We need to write A vector. What is A vector? I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So multiplier 2 2s are 4i cap, 2 into 1 is 2j cap, 2 into 2 is minus 4k cap, minus, multiply minus inside, minus 6i cap, multiply minus in, minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12, 12j cap, minus into plus, minus 6 3s are 18k cap. So I want to move towards the sum. 4i cap minus 6i cap is nothing but minus 2i cap. 2j plus 12j is nothing but plus 14j. Minus 4k minus 18k is nothing but minus 22k cap. So this is our required answer. See, the both answers are same only, but you need to choose which method is best for you. But my idea is I can choose the method 2. So method 2 is the smallest one and we can do it very easily. So better you choose method 2. Second subdivision, we are going to choose method 2 only. The given formula A vector cross B vector cross C vector. So choose the formula. For A vector is the longest one, this is the farthest one. A vector dot C vector next to B vector minus A vector dot B vector, the second one, no, A vector dot B vector into C vector is equal to A dot C. A dot C, year 1, year 3, 1 into 3 is 3, next minus, minus into plus is minus, 2 2s are 4, next 3, year 1, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, next B vector we will write afterwards, we don't need to confuse by writing all the things at a time, minus A dot B, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 3 into 2 is minus 6, minus 6 into C vector, here 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, now write B vector, what is B vector, 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap minus, plus 2 minus 2 cancel, put minus 6, we don't need to put bracket here, so minus 6, open the bracket, what is C vector here, 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, multiply 2 2s are 4i cap, 2 into 1 2 into minus 2 minus 4k cap. So we are going to get C here, I forgot to put here minus, so minus into minus become plus, so minus also don't need, I not see the minus, so now I saw minus into minus is plus, so plus, put 6 3s are plus 18i cap, 6 2s are plus 12j cap, 6 into k is nothing but 6k cap. Now we need to make addition, 4 plus 18 is equal to 22i cap, 2 plus 12 nothing but 14j cap, 4 minus 4 plus 6 nothing but plus 2k cap. So this is the required answer for first sum second subdivision. This method is easiest method, so I done that method.